Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I am recording this video during the trading hour, which is Monday, and currently we are around 11:20 a.m. If you are holding CTRM, which is for Castor Maritime, or if you are just planning to buy, this is in your watch list, then I think this is a very good time to look at, because today the stock is down like 20%. Actually not 20%, it was even down more than that. You can see like we were trading around 73 cents last week, and this morning it came all the way to 57. At one point we hit the bottom around 0.56. Now currently we are curling up around 0.59. So what happened and what's the plan? How can we make some money just using the information here? So the news came today around 9 o'clock that Castor Maritime announces pricing of 125 million registered direct offering. So today they announced it has entered into a security purchase agreement with certain unaffiliated institutional investors to issue approximately 192.3 million of its common share and warrants to purchase up to aggregate of 192.3 million common share at a purchase price of 0.65. That's the most important thing. Let's see. So 0.65 is the price, and what happened, like when it was 0.65, what happened? The share price actually came down even below, like it came around 0.56. So when it's 6.65, always like whenever there is a public sharing, the public reaction is really harsh. Like they just sell and they do not look at what price, what's the point, why, it doesn't matter, right? So it just comes down. So you can see that it came down, and currently like we are making higher lows, and soon I think we will break today's high of around 0.59 or let's say 0.6. So once we break that, I think definitely we can go to 0.65, which is the offering price. So definitely there is a momentum you can run. Also look at the daily chart. I made a previous video on this particular one, and you see like on a long term you see the U-shaped recovery. So that was the support for a long time, then it came all the way down, it made a U-shaped recovery, then it broke, it went up to 1.9, close to $2, then it came down. But what happened? You can see 0.6 is looks like a good support, and the offering is around 0.65, so nothing bad. So in general the share price can always come to 0.65, and I'm expecting it should bounce back, and that is the offering price as well. So currently we are at 0.58, so definitely I think we will go, if you look here, we will go and break this 0.59, and we will soon go to 0.65. so let's say if you just want to quickly you want to make a quick trade, so if you enter even now at 0.58, if you go to 0.65, that 13 to 14% gain. So in this morning I grabbed lots of share around 0.57, and the plan is like when we hit 0.65 I will just sell, and quickly I will just get 14% gain. So that's the plan. If you want to hold it for a long term, then definitely go for it. Like public sharing, direct offering to institution is not bad. So once you go to 0.65, just the support, then you can see it can again ride back, from this line. Maybe it will hit around this area, right, which is the resistance around $1. The stock tried to break that $1 many times, that came down, but I think again it will go up. And also I previously make another video talking about CTRM. So let's see CTRM, Castor Maritime. So this is their website, and what they were doing previously, they were just buying. They were buying more and more vessels, because they have a long vision, and the more vessels they will have, the more the company can grow. And if you go to the investors website, you can see they have announced a lot of deliveries and acquisition of vessels. So definitely there is a long-term prospectus for this particular stock, so definitely it will go to 1 or even higher. But at that point it looks really juicy, because the share price came to 0.58, it will easily go to 0.65, then $1. So anyway my friends, I wanted to make this video very quick so that you can get some advantage just using the information. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.